Please hit the subscribe button and tap the bell icon for the future notification to watch more videos of latest fashions and trends. Thank you so much for your love. Hello friends, welcome back to Amazing Women's World. In this video, I have come up to show you how I have recreated my plain linen saree to designer mirror work saree using the vegetable print. You cannot believe that it's been designed using the potato. Let me show you how I have designed this saree. So cut the potato into half, and here I'm marking the box. That means we are creating the block of 1 by 1 inch, and this is how the remaining extra has to be cut. And here I'm gonna use knife. You can also use any sharp object like the pencil cutter or any blade. And see here, the exact square shape has to be made, and on this square block I'd be marking three lines like this equally. That means we have to mark 3 by 3 small square boxes on it, and I think you can clearly see here. I'll be marking here with the sketch so that it will make you visible. The pattern which I have created is really looking awesome. I think sharing of this idea is useful to you all. You can also try this on your plain sarees, or else designing on dupattas, shawls, anything you can design it. Or for the home decor project like decorating on the pillow covers, bed sheets, whatnot, on any patterns, you can give this block printing, which will really gives awesome stylish look. The center box I'll be here you can clearly see. I think so all the boxes should have the same size and same shape. If you don't want to waste vegetables, you can try this on eraser. The same way markings you have to follow and create this on the eraser or on the foam sheets also. You can give this block designing. Strip off the starch completely so that the print will not be affected and you will get the uniqueness while printing. And here I'm gonna use black color, Camlin brand of Arslick colors, and this bottle is of 25 rupees. And now I'm gonna stamp this block on the paint, and firstly I'll give the rough markings on the piece of paper so that the uniqueness will be continued. Once the starch is removed, you will get the nice and clean finishings. I also poured the color on a piece of sponge. You can also try it on cotton or using any jute fabric also. On that you can pour it and spread it evenly so that the thickness and the volume which you want to print will get evenly. This is how we have to give the printing. The center of the body of the saree, randomly I had given the printing, and on the border it's like leaving 1 inch gap so that in the center I'd be sticking these mirror rings. And here I'm using plastic mirrors. You can also try with the glass mirrors. Firstly I'll stick the plastic mirrors, and on that I'll be sticking the mirror frames. Once the mirror frames is completely dried, we have to give an invisible stitches on it so that it will stay for long run. This way I'll create 2 lines of borders. This is the sample one which I'm gonna share you. Really friends, I had enjoyed a lot while doing this printing because this had given me the chance to create the new pattern which I can share with you all. And when I wore this type of designer sarees, really the appreciation which I wasn't expected. I thought sharing of this idea is useful to you all. If you really enjoyed watching this video, please hit the like icon to support my efforts. Also do share this video in your community or circles, may be useful to others. Thank you so much for watching friends. Meet you all with another interesting video. Subscribe to Amazing Women's World channel. Stay tuned to watch more videos of latest fashions and trends. Please do also hit the bell icon to receive future notifications.